Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you fix if your Discord app is showing sorry you have been blocked on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Discord doesn't block somebody for nothing. There must be some reasons if you have been blocked into Discord. First of all, check if there is any server issues going on with your Discord. In order to check that, you can use the site of downdetector.com. And if there is no server issues currently going on with your Discord and you don't think you have violated any of the terms and conditions from Discord, what you can do is just simply open your browser and then search for Discord support. Now, you just simply have to select submit a request into here, and after that, just simply select help and support from this section. Then you have to enter your email address and then you can select your suitable reasons. For example, I'm selecting technical support. Then after that, what type of issue that you are experiencing, you just simply have to select related issue and then platform and then subject. Into the subject section, you just simply have to write down that I haven't violated any of the standards of Discord, but it is still showing I'm blocked. And then you have to describe whole issue, like for how long you are having this type of issues. You just simply have to explain it into the description, and then you can add file of your screenshots of the problem or similar files like that, and then tap to submit. And after doing this much, Discord support team will get your request and review it. Then after that, you can easily use your Discord application. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.